guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another Dollarama unboxing, unbagging, just a quick one. So let me reach in and grab something. And what do I have? Ooh, I'm so excited. I was really happy that I found this. See guys, I was super happy. Look at what I found for $2.25. It is a sketching pencil set by Artist Series, and there's 12 pieces, and it comes in a tin, and it goes from 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, H. Does that look like an F to you? I don't have my glasses on. B, 2B, 3B. There's no HB, but it goes all the way up to 6B. So let's take a look at these. So I got these basically because I'm thrilled that they're in a tin. I have other sketching pencils from the dollar store, and I really like them. I have a set from Michael's that I like too, and they're all mixed together, and I cannot tell which are which. So I thought it would be super nice to have these in a tin. Isn't that nice? And I like the tin. So let me see if I can figure out how to open these on camera. I might have to go off camera to open these. Oh, I think, okay, they're not hinged, are they? No. Oh, yeah, they are. They're on a hinge, but it feels like the hinge is going to break. It feels like the hinge on this side is not on very good. But what do you want for, like, so cheap, right? So, oh my gosh, so they're not sharpened. So here you can see this, and they don't come with a sharpener, so I do have a sharpener. So I'm going to have to sharpen these up. I'll do that another time. But anyway, I'm going to start using oil pastels, and a lot of times they say you need an 8B pencil. So I was hoping there'd be an 8B pencil, but this is the darkest one that there is a 6B, so I might have to go out and buy an 8B at Michael's next time I'm there, because I do not have an 8B. And I don't think I have a 6B either. I think the most I have is 4B at home. So at least this will be darker. So even if I don't like these pencils, I'm still happy with the tin. And I'm going to have to mess around and see if I could tighten this somehow. Like, I can't even see very well with my glasses up, but it feels like it's going to let go. But I do like that they're on a hinged tray. Because I just, look how easy that is to take with you. So I might take these pencils out if I don't like them and put the other pencils that I have in here other than the 6B. But I'm sure these are going to be fine. And it starts, they're different colors too. So it looks like there's light gray, and then it goes to the darker colors. So the ones I have now are all just like regular pencil lead. So I'm really interested in seeing how these work. So, and I'm sure they'll be fine. And yeah, you know, I think the problem right here, you can see there's a little bend. Yeah, there's a little bend here, so I might be able to straighten that out with something, like with a hammer or the edge of a knife or something. And then maybe it will fit. Can you see it's like come up a little bit here? So hopefully I can fix that, because I did get this just for the tin, but like it was so cheap. It was only $2.25, and I'm getting all the pencils too. So if I could fix this tin, that will be great. Yeah, that's why it's loose. It's buckled right there. Anyway, so that's it. That is a very quick unboxing. Let me know if you've tried the sketching pencils from Dollarama, and if you have, if you like them. Do you have this set? I do like the pen. This is such a nice tin. Anyway, I'm going on and on about the tin. Weird things get me happy now that I'm old. I don't know. I like a nice box from Amazon. I don't want to throw it away. I like a nice tin. I don't know what has happened to my life. Anyway, thank you for listening. I hope I don't sound too crazy to you guys. All right, so if you did like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and most importantly of all, you guys, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, happy drawing, and happy shopping, and happy whatever it is you're doing today. Bye, guys.